Question 1. My tooth is killing me. I am going to go to the dentist. Question 2. Look at that pregnant woman over there. I think she is going to have a baby very soon. Question 3. The forecast for tomorrow says that it will be snowy tomorrow. Question 4. I hope he will lend us some money for a car. Question 5. Watch where you are going. You are going to drop the vase. Question 6. The mayor says they will be building a new bridge across the river for another 3 years. Question 7. I think Alice will get married sooner rather than later. Question 8. Once I buy an apartment of my own, I won't have to live with my mother-in-law anymore. Question 9. I've had a really difficult day. I am going to go straight to bed. Question 10. I will be waiting for you at the airport when you arrive. Okay, that's it for now. Remember, you can always go back and watch any lesson if you forgot something. Now let's move on to the next chapter.